This fitting guide is for the CP01. Remove the driver's side headrest and tilt the seat forward to make it easier to install this cover. Undo this Velcro strap and place the cover over the top of the seat. Tuck the cover underneath the headrest fixings. Fasten the Velcro around the armrest and the adjuster and tuck any of the remaining slack underneath the seat. Find this tab and tuck it into the back of the seat. Pull the cover down and around the seat. Tuck the padding in around the right side of the seat. Find the long Velcro strap, wrap it around the back of the seat and fasten securely. As before, place the cover over the headrest and fasten the Velcro. Before putting it back into the seat. Find the hole in the armrest cover and slide it all the way along the armrest. Now your seat is fully protected and will stay in place under stress.